Why is Tesla giving the opportunity to celebrities to take delivery with no discount of Cybertruck now, even though other people probably pre-ordered before them? There are multiple reasons to this decision made by Tesla. Firstly, those celebs have a combined 1.5 billion followers across all social platforms. Those celebs are posting pics with it. This is free advertising for Tesla. And Tesla's hope is that it will drive more traffic to Tesla's website, and that those people will see the incredible Model 3 and Y pricing and learn more about the cars, thereby increasing the sales of the other models. Second reason is Tesla is going through the list of pre-orders. Because of the unexpected price increase of the truck, many reservations are being cancelled because they don't want the $120,000 Foundation series. These celebs can easily afford $120,000. So all those reservations are being diverted to the celebrities.